McDonald's snack wrap is coming back. We do things a little different than the McDonald's people. See, they got chicken strips. We got crispy chicken stripes. Golden, seasoned, and air fried in luxury. They got the snack wrap. We got the wrap snack. No relation. They got the secret sauce. We got flavors that don't need to sign an NDA. Throw in some bacon and a hot honey drizzle and copyright infringement really starts to taste good. So pull up and have yourself a snack and a drink. It's Poor Choices Kitchen. All right, we're starting with chicken tenderloins because I was feeling lazy today. But if you want to save a few bucks, and I know you do, grab some whole chicken breasts and just slice them yourself. The more trim and processed your meat is, the more you're gonna end up paying. It's like paying extra for someone to tie your shoes if your shoes are made of chicken. But whether you're using tenderloins or cutting strips from breasts, aim for even thickness so they cook at the same speed and crisp up like they respect your time. Now we're dropping these stripes into a marinade, which is pretty much just buttermilk, Dijon mustard, garlic powder, paprika. Look everybody, I actually have regular paprika, salt, and white pepper. And we just wanna let that hang out and marinate for at least an hour or overnight if you're the plan ahead type. This not only tenderizes the chicken, but gives the seasoning a chance to move in and redecorate. Now for the dredge, it's a classic 3-part system: seasoned flour, egg, and seasoned panko. The flour's got garlic powder, paprika, cayenne, onion powder, all the stuff that says I respect your taste buds. And the panko has Parmesan, lemon zest, a little smoked paprika because you know I love my girl Paprika Simone. Oh, by the way, all the measurements are listed in the description and the top left corner of the screen because no one wants to hear me say teaspoons 14 times. And finally, this recipe is available at poorchoiceskitchen.com. It's a work in progress, I'm not a web designer. But at least you don't have to keep the YouTube app open all day. So get your chicken out of the marinade and let the excess drip off, and then we're gonna go into our flour, ensuring the whole tender is tenderly and evenly loved. Then we're gonna go into our egg and then into our panko. And then we just wanna let that rest for like 10 to 15 minutes so the crust hydrates and sticks. Otherwise, it's just gonna slide off and crumble like a Nature Valley bar in your bed. Preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees. I'm using this Ninja Foodie XL, a lovely gift. And yes, the glass doors are as cinematic as they look. Lightly spray the chicken on both sides with oil, give them some breathing room, and crisp them up for 12 to 14 minutes, remembering to flip them halfway through. They might not be as golden as deep fried tenders, but that panko crunch, certified delicious. Oh, and if you don't have an air fryer, just bake them at 425 on a rack for 20 to 25 minutes easily. Also, don't forget to flip them halfway through. If you're meat probing these, you are looking for an internal temperature of 165. While the chicken's working, we're gonna cook up some thick cut bacon. You wanna do it in the pan, the oven, dealer's choice. The end goal is just crispy bacon and some glorious bacon fat. We're gonna take that fat and brush it on the inside of the tortilla, and then we're gonna warm it fat side down in a dry skillet. Is it optional? Technically. Is it flavorful? Absolutely. Does it add back in the fat we thought we were saving by air frying? You betcha. I never said this was a salad. And now it's sauce time. This sauce is a tangy honey mustard kind of remix. We're gonna go with some mayonnaise, some Dijon mustard, sour cream, honey, paprika, garlic powder, and a splash of vinegar and salt and pepper to taste. Whisk it up and let it chill for at least 30 minutes, which probably means you should make this before you do everything else. My bad for saying this now. Now we can assemble our wrap. We're gonna put a tortilla down, and this one is a 6-inch, but to be honest, mine came out more like a chicken taco than a wrap. If your chicken's extra thick, just go ahead and bump it up to an 8-inch tortilla. Start with the sauce, then some chopped romaine, the crispy chicken stripes, a bacon strip or two, shredded cheddar or Parmesan, and if you're feeling chaotic, hit it with a hot honey drizzle. That honestly took this from snack wrap to snack slap. I thought of that in the shower this morning. And yep, I'm gonna keep it in. Now for the poor choice, I thought about something bubbly like Sprite, especially the way it stings at McDonald's, but then I saw this Lambrusco on sale and I couldn't resist. Lambrusco doesn't get enough love, but I enjoyed the hell out of it while making this. It's got a little sparkle, some sweetness, and it didn't judge me when the whole bottle disappeared over the course of filming. So if you've never tried it, here's a great opportunity to fix that. And there you have it, a wrap snack for your at-home similar to McDonald's but better experience. And this is the part where I ask you to like and subscribe, so I'm doing that. Cool? Cool. If you want to support the show for literally $1 a month, hit up the Patreon link down in the description or become a YouTube member for $2.99 and get early access to episodes and eventually bonus stuff. It has been a chaotic year since Rooster Teeth shut down, but things are starting to get back to normal, and I'm just blessed to be both working and being supported by you all, whether it's views, shares, donations. Either way, it helps keep the lights on and the bacon crispy. Until next time, peace.